Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies! So as you guys know, I am currently obsessed with the Temu app because everything is so affordable and the quality is amazing for such cheap prices. So I got another package in the mail, and you guys, I may have like messed around and like participated in their little what's it called? Their like credit giveaway that they were doing last week, and I raked up quite a few credits, and I may have placed an order with 39 items. So that video will be on my TikTok soon. Today I got some fashion items and some home goods that I wanted to show you guys real quick. I'm about to go out of town for the holidays, so I need to pack all of this stuff. So I want to show you guys everything real quick today. So just a cute little haul video. If you guys have never heard of the Temu app, they have a little bit of everything from pet supplies to home goods to fashion for women, men, children, everything. In that TikTok haul, you guys will see more variety of like other stuff that they also carry. So make sure you follow me on TikTok at NessaBriella_. We are no longer Messy Nessie 15. Up to 90% off of so many things on their website. If you're looking to online shop, right now is the time to check out Temu. So let me show you guys everything that I got. So the first item I'm going to show you guys is actually a piece of jewelry, and when I tell you, you can be bougie on a budget. They have so many dupes, they have so many like inspired items, as well as a lot of really pretty jewelry that looks expensive. This gorgeous chain is only $5 on their website. So, you know, it's just easy to spice up the outfit real quick, you know, add a little bling to your look. If you watched my last Temu haul, I said that I was gonna get that same hat that I got in that like tannish khaki color again in another color, and that is what I did. So this time I got the Los Angeles hat in more of a like washed black jean color. I think this is so cute. You guys know I'm obsessed with the color gray. I've been trying to get more towards like colors and stuff, so as you can see today we did some pink. Can't get away from a good classic gray or black hat. And you guys, guess how much this cost? $4. Quality is amazing as well. We have an adjustable strap on the back, and let me just put it on and show you guys what it looks like. Isn't that so cute? Come on, $4. $4. Then I also got another hat, and this one actually has some color to it. It has pink. It says take on it, and on the back it says 777, and then we have a little pink 777 on the side. The reason I got this mainly was just because like I love fluffy fuzzy type stuff, and that's what the lettering is. And as you can see, the distress of the jean is actually pink underneath, which I think is really cute as well. So just another cute hat, and this was also around $4, so come on now, affordable hats. The kind of stuff that I try to find at the mall, but they don't have anything at the mall. Next I got a bag. I'm very simple with my outfits, so I like my purses to kind of like stand out and kind of make the look. So I don't have a bag this color, and I thought it was really cute. It has an adjustable strap, so I can make it a crossbody or I can make it a shoulder bag. And it's just this really simple royal blue bag. This was $4.98. It's a nylon bag. And like I said, I don't have a bag this color, and I love a good crossbody moment. Next item is a piece of clothing, and I actually recently owned something similar to this, but I sold it on Depop because it was way too big for me. So I basically repurchased it again in a smaller size, and it's a black pleather, because it's not real leather of course, puffer vest. So that was really cute. The pockets are real and functioning and everything. There's buttons on the inside as well as the outside, and a zipper as well, so super good quality. For $22, not bad at all, and the quality is amazing, you guys. And there's also a ton of coupons all the time, so you're probably not even going to spend 20 bucks on this. The amazing thing about the app, every day they drop some new coupons, and it's always cheaper. Just a cute puffer jacket. It doesn't get that cold here, but I am going to be going to Chicago soon, so it'll get some use. Next I got a super soft blanket. It's already unwrapped because Nyla saw it and I had to open it immediately. But it is just this really pretty hot pink fluffy blanket. I love it. Depending on the size that you get, so you could either get like a very small, like, you know, kid size blanket, or you could get the gigantic one that I got. So I have the biggest size that is available. So this was like $30, but girl, I love it. It's amazing. It's so cozy. I feel like I was taking a risk with this one because I felt like, okay, it's either gonna come in like super small or it's gonna be super thin and just like itchy and uncomfortable, but it is so soft and so cozy, and it's huge. It literally will fit a king size bed. So this is one of the more expensive items. It's $30, but that's still very affordable for what you are getting, because on a lot of other websites, I promise you this jacket would be at least 110 bucks. So it is this jean jacket with gray fur along the neckline as well as on the ends of the sleeves. Isn't that so cute, you guys? It actually comes detached and you just have to put it with these little loops and buttons, so you can definitely take off the fur if you don't want to wear it like that. And the inside feels like a freaking blanket. Like, it is so soft and so cozy. So this is definitely coming with me to Illinois, but it's just so comfortable, you guys. I love this. When I got this was the first thing that I opened up because I was so excited. But yeah, it's just a really, really comfortable jean jacket on its own. And then, like I said, it has the detachable cute fuzzy features. Next up, I have a jacket. Now this I actually wore a couple times already, so that's why I may look a little wrinkled, might have a lipstick stain or two on it. But it's this really, really cute khaki tan colored butterfly zip up jacket. You guys will get like a whole try on so you can see it a lot better. But look how cute that is. And when you go outside, it is so sparkly. It's so pretty. It was only $15, so I was also like assuming that it was gonna be more on the thinner side, but it's actually pretty good. I'm very impressed. Like, it actually kept me warm outside. Of course, like, it's not like a super, super thick jacket, but it's still very, very comfortable and keeps you nice and toasty. So yeah, just a khaki colored butterfly jacket. Next two-piece set was $17, and it's this really, really nice washed blue color. It's a halter top, so it's kind of like a bra style. And then it also came with the high-waisted joggers, and the little strip on there says handmade. Super cute, goes all the way down to the ankles, so tall girl friendly. Happy about that. And for under $20, pretty good. This next four-piece set I'm about to show you is $26, and when I tell you it is a steal, girl, it is a steal. They got this in black, khaki, light pink, bright pink, baby blue, fuchsia, taupe, black, everything. And it is a four-piece workout set. So even though I'm pregnant, I'm still trying to remain somewhat active because, girl, last pregnancy, we ain't doing that again. So the first thing you get is a crop top long sleeve. And then you also get a pair of leggings. You get a sports bra. So you keep it for $26, come on now. And then you also get a pair of biker shorts. Like, come on. That is a deal. Around $6-7 per piece. Like, that is not bad at all, and it's all really nice thick quality as well, so it'll keep you nice and secure. And the last items that I'm going to show you guys are definitely some of my favorite out of the entire thing, as well as Nyla's favorite. And this is $22. It comes in medium, large, and XL, and it's actually a three-piece set, but I have no idea where the third piece went, because as soon as I opened it, Nyla was like, "Oh, teddy bear," and took it. So it is a three-piece pajama set. So you get the super cozy bottoms. Like, look how cute these are, you guys. I love like just the soft material stuff. And then it also came with a long sleeve top as well. And the third piece that we are missing right now is actually just an eye cover, like, you know, sleep mask. But just so soft. I'm definitely gonna pick up some more cozy pajamas from them, because for 20 bucks, 3 pieces is pretty good. Everything that I showed you guys is gonna be in the description below, and if you want an extra 30% off, keep in mind a lot of their items are up to 90% off right now, but if you want an additional 30% off, here's the code right here. Cheer899, and you will get an extra 30% off of your order. Whether you're trying to look expensive on a budget or you're just trying to get real extra cozy but on a budget, definitely gotta check out the Temu app. They have a little bit of everything. They offer free returns up to 90 days and also free shipping for all their new customers. They take everything: Google Pay, PayPal, credit card, all that. If you guys are interested in shopping with Temu, it's a lot faster just to download the app, so I'll have everything down below for you guys, all the information, all the links, all that. But the way the economy is going, it's time to budget. It's time to, you know, if we still want to treat ourselves to some nice things, but at a fraction of the cost. That's everything that I got today. Just thought I would show you guys because I love bringing you guys more affordable and cute websites to shop on and check out, because if you're a shopaholic like me but we're trying to do it on a budget, I got you. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Love you. Bye.